I've been wanting to explore this place for a long time now. Finally having a whole week. Vancouver Island, here we go! Why are we doing this?
We're sideways. Any minute we'll roll over and this guy is still taking photos.
Telling you guys this is a magical spot. The food is provided too, you know?
We're all lined up and ready to go to the island. You got Nate, my car, Fab. Yeah, that's the West Coast Overland and Honey. So, since Noah was at the shop getting some service done and Fab had his track bar ordered but haven't gotten here, let's see what's under there. A piece of Noah's track bar. Gotta love those metal cloak pots.
Seems like Honey's gonna have a good time.
Load it up. Let's go in. The ticket booth recommended us to wear masks. So not sure if you can even hear me, but we're up at sun deck.
Normally, BC Ferry requests everyone to go up to the deck when the ferry is moving, but because of COVID, they allow people to stay in their car now if you want to have more distancing. And I've been looking at maps, looking for places to go on the island. Looking down while sitting, it's definitely not a good idea on a boat. Yeah, seasick. Our first day after about, I don't know, 8 hours of driving. We're finally getting close to our first campsite. And there were a lot of stop and goes because Honey's trailer has been being a little baby that we need to keep very low speed. And we are finally set up and cooking some dinner. Look at those lights. Someone's being creative. It's a provincial campground, so we'll have to pay $18 per night for that kind of spot. I'll do it, especially when it's not too crowded. Let's go for a walk and see what's around here. It's not a bad morning. Did a little bit of swing and check out the lake. We meet up with the rest of the crew in Port Alice, getting ready to start a new day of adventure. You know what's the best? When your passenger is giving you massage from a long day of driving. Service fee. How much? 8 kisses? Aww. That's huge. Though wandering in the mountains is already a good trip on its own, we are hoping to find a specific beach. Coming right down to the ocean inlet. I've seen photos of this stunning spot surrounded by mountains. There wasn't any geotag shared, so I looked into the map and did a little research, took an educated guess and see where the road takes us. Like this little surprise inlet along the way. Look at this, wow. What did you find? Whoa, that's so complete. Thank you. Can't hear anything. Fight. Oh, that's a lot of them fighting. Over what though? Our pilot is in the action. That doesn't even look like it's got a road. I don't think so, man.
Look at Fab's face.
Yes?
You make it down here.
Oh my god. This is definitely not a car trail. The boys still decide to take a look and try this really narrow and overgrown trail.
splash your tire if you.
That one is fine, but can I go left a little? Like, is that
You can. You can. Yeah. Yep. Good. Yeah. I don't know though. My God. Yeah, right. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Why are we doing this?
It's starting to go like, I guess, I don't know, we're almost there.
We only went that little?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's clear now.
Honestly, I feel like it's better to walk there to check out if you want to check it out.
Okay, yeah, let's just walk.
We're finally getting close to water, but this is definitely not a driving track for sure. Oof. Okay, well, it's the hike, I mean. Yeah, this is nice.
Nice hidden rocky beach, but this is not the one I was trying to find. We took a short break from the hike, then headed back to the vehicle.
And this is what I've been going through, the brushes.
I don't really look forward to the way out through this overgrown trail again. If pinstripes are not bad enough, how about this?
We are in a little situation right now. The side of the road is really soft and we're sideways. Any minute we'll roll over and this guy is still taking photos. Excuse me. I don't know if I should even get out because I'm... Are you done taking photos yet?
Are you getting out?
We'll try to.
Here, give me a hand. Holy fuck, you're flexible.
You can see where you slide down. I think that was the spot where I said be careful.
Slightly this way because I was anticipating the slide, but like see it still moved us.
Explore life. Explore life. What the hell is this? We're sideways and we're taking photos. You need me to winch you?
After a little detour, got our blood flowing, we kept on going. And yes, we found the beach.
We're starting a petition because the Ministry of Forest is contemplating removing this bridge, which would eliminate access to the beach.
Oh.
So I was wondering if you can sign your name.
Yeah.
I'd appreciate it.
Oh, look at that. Whoa.
We found another piece of the beach that's more secluded, but only accessible after a really tight trail.
Oh my god. This is real tight. Okay. Yep, okay.
Oh, fuck you, right?
Slow.
Have you heard of Lifesaver? This jerrycan has a robust filtration system that will purify any water into safe drinkable water. For longer remote travel like this, you can never have too much. I really do miss driving on the beach, like in Fraser Island in Western Australia. Such a bliss, a totally different experience than driving in the mountains. Right here we have Sandro showing us how to take care of kids 101.
What's the saying? Out of sight, out of mind.
Fresh mussels, anyone? By the way, I got some stickers made for my 100 series. I'm not selling them yet, but we'll be handing out when I see you on the trail. So if you want one, feel free to let me know.
Yay, thank you.
Did you just like found it here?
So I was bitten by another shark. I came to, I was still alive. Telling you guys this is a magical spot. The food is provided too.
Now we need to clean up.
Wait, look at the thing.
Whoa!
Oh, you missed it.
Overland travel is about so much more than our planned itineraries. You don't always know the exact destination. It's worth to take a guess and hit a road with just a general direction. You'll be surprised what you may find. Because it is about our observations, feelings, and thoughts. Not only when we arrive, but when we are in transit, explore, or do nothing more than sit and think. The unexpected will stun you, just like how we fell in love with this page. I probably won't tell you the exact coordinate, but I do recommend you to try and find it. It's not hard. And I really do hope the Ministry of Forests don't close up the access. Have a good night. I can't wait for our journey tomorrow.